Logistic pass play. Bola mananatili sa block. Ready for the goal, pass to number 5. Number 5, pass to number 0. Pumersa, wala. Pero merong foul. 24, foul. First personal foul. Okay, 2 shot para kay number 0. First throw. Yes. 37-35. Second throw. Wala, rebound, napunta sa right, sa Yastik. Foul. Oh, number 5. 13 foul, running for 45 seconds. Okay, pass to question mark. Question mark, gumagamit ng oras. Turn to shoot. Question mark, nakawala. Side step. Yes! Basket. Last 17 seconds. Pass break ng block. Nawala ang bola. Still ng right. Nagmamadali. Turn to shoot. Hindi ko turn shoot. 7 seconds. 5 seconds. End of the third quarter. Number 27. Dumula-diretso sa gitna. Wala. Rebound. Block pa rin. Tumira sa number 30. Wala. Rebound by Reston. Score by Reston sa ilaw. Easy shooter. Ay para kay number 30. Ayun na. Idol kayo sa number 30 ng Reston. Simple ang basketball. Grabe. Basic lang. Rebound. Oh, number 23. Third personal foul, first team foul. Have it. Okay. First round. Yes, sir.